Hey everyone, setting up Verizon 5G home internet. This step-by-step guide walks you through the complete installation process for a fast and stable connection. Unbox your Verizon 5G gateway, place it near a window for the best signal, plug it in and wait for the light to turn solid white. Download the My Verizon app, follow the on-screen setup instructions including scanning the gateway's QR code and connect your devices to your new Wi-Fi network to complete the installation. Step 1, Unboxing the package. Inside the box, you will get 5G Internet Gateway into 1, bracket 1, Power Adapter 1, AC Power Cable 1, Cable Clips small into 3, Cable Clips large into 1, Cable Ties 1, Jacko Tape Plate 1, Window Wedge 1, Window Wipe 2, Screw Bag 1. Step 2, Download and use the My Verizon app. Open the My Verizon app on your phone and make sure you are signed in. If you are not registered, follow the app's instructions to create an account. Open Play Store or App Store, search for My Verizon app, tap Install or Get button to download and install the app. Tap Start your 5G home setup or scan the QR code from the Quick Start guide to begin. Tap Begin Setup and if prompted, allow the app to access Bluetooth and your location. Watch the video overview, then tap Continue. If asked, enter your order number from your packaging slip or confirmation email. If the number ends in 001, leave those digits off and click Continue. Tap Scan QR code and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on the bottom of your 5G internet gateway. Select the 5G antenna closest to where you want to set up. If there's a more than one, then tap Continue. Calibrate your phone's compass by moving it in a figure 8 motion when prompted. Follow the app's instructions to find the best spot in your home for a strong 5G signal, usually near a window. Step 3, Choose the best location. Place the gateway near a window and as centrally as possible in your home. Ensure the backside of the device faces the direction of 5G signal, usually towards the nearest window. Avoid enclosed spaces or areas with thick walls to maximize signal strength. Make sure the window glass is smooth, clean, and has no thermal paper or spatial coatings. Choose a stable fixed window that does not move or flex and is not exposed to strong winds. Install the device above shoulder height for best result. Keep the area below the window clear. Don't place fragile or valuable items underneath. Clean the window with transparent sticky tape before reinstalling the device. If the adhesive gets weak after several moves, buy new gecko tape plates from Verizon. Do not use extension cords. Always plug the device directly into a wall outlet. Don't hang anything from the bracket or place anything on top of the device. Don't cover the device with curtains or any other material. Avoid moving and reinstall the device too often as this will reduce the adhesive strength. Take the box to the chosen window, remove the 5G internet gateway and bracket and tap continue. Connect the power cord to the device and plug it into the outlet, then tap continue. Watch the signal test overview and tap pair phone to link your phone with the 5G internet gateway. Tap copy password, then paste it into the password field when prompted. Pairing and activation will begin. This may take up to 6 minutes. When the app shows paired, tap continue. Once a signal is found, peel the sticker off the gateway and place it on the window just below where you will mount the bracket, then tap continue. Choose whether you want to mount the device on the window or a wall and follow the final instructions to finish set up. Step 4, Activate and configure Wi-Fi. Connect your phone or a computer to the default Wi-Fi network. SSID and password are on the gateway's label. Use the app or web interface to change your Wi-Fi name, SSID and password for security. Enable or disable the guest network as needed. Adjust advanced Wi-Fi settings, channel bandwidth, airtime allocation if desired. Step 5, Connect your devices. Connect your computers, phone and smart devices to a new Wi-Fi network using your custom SSID and password. Use the Ethernet port for any wired devices. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.